Hey guys, Dr. Scott Froum here with a quick clinical tip on hand sanitizers. Now, hand sanitizers certainly have been cast into the forefront during the COVID-19 pandemic. And the problem with that is that many companies were given authorization by the FDA to make hand sanitizer that usually didn't. So a long list of ingredients were able to be put in these hand sanitizers that may not be good for you. Most notably, the FDA had a recall on many of these hand sanitizers due to contagion with B. capacia and R. piqueta. They were diseases that could be transferred from doctor to patient, or the patients that use these hand sanitizers, especially those that were immunocompromised, they came down with some serious infections. So you want to use a vetted hand sanitizer. Now, most of our hand sanitizers like Purell, well, they have isopropyl alcohol in it. Now, isopropyl alcohol is a synthetic, and if used too much, it could be toxic to the skin or dry out the skin, but it can be very toxic in our children, especially those under 5 years old. In fact, there's been incidences of 95,000 cases of toxicity in our kids under 12 reported to toxic control substances. So we have to be careful about their uses. One hand sanitizer that I really like is from StellaLife. It's an all-natural hand sanitizer that uses 80% ethanol, not isopropyl alcohol, and it also has peroxide in it. Now, the inactive ingredients are great. It has essential oils, it has aloe vera, it has vitamin E, so it doesn't dry out your skin, and it doesn't feel sticky. So again, I use a product called StellaLife. The hand sanitizer, it's great. You can use it. It's not synthetic. It's all natural, and it will keep you and your patients safe. Take care, guys.